Now the Chakravaka. These birds, Chakravaka, birds always move in pair, husbands and wives. When they're born, they get married. These two birds, the Chakravakas, there's a story, Puranic story. The male and female were in a tree, and in the afternoon, and there was one rishi meditating under that tree. No, it was in the evening time, and he was doing some jagaran, some whatever Harivasra, Ekadasi, staying up all night under that tree chanting Gayatri or mantra meditation. And those two birds were in that tree and they were making sounds. They were love birds making noise, these Chakravaka birds. Hey, you're disturbing my meditation. I curse you that forevermore you will be separated every night. Every night you will be separated. Birdie will be separated from bird. The husband, the male Charvak will be separated from Chakravaki all night. And when sunrise comes, then you can be together again. And this came to pass. It's true. So they can't meet. They're husbands and wives, and that's when husbands and wives usually meet. During the day, they're collecting seeds, and eating worms and collecting seeds and drinking water. And at night, the husbands and wives meet, and now they can't meet. The birds can't meet. This is a great curse. Oh, actually, what happened was that when they were in the tree, the birds were mating, and some branch fell off and landed on the sage's head. He was meditating, and they were up playing around the branches. Bonk! Hey, well, you stupid! And then he cursed them. Oh, they got reaction. They shouldn't have stayed in that tree. So every night, this female Chakravaki bird, she's crying, she's pining for her lover. So this bird, although most birds make noise in the day, this bird is crying at night. Wah, wah, wah. Where's my husband? Where's my husband? She cries all night, pining for her mate. So this is utkantita, intense yearning and eagerness and hankering to be united with your beloved. We are parts and parcels of Krishna, and we all have an intimate, loving connection with Krishna. Now we're separated due to the curse of Maya. The curse of Maya coming in the form of forgetfulness. We are experiencing and feeling the bitterness of separation from our beloved Lord. So due to that misery, we should cry out for association and an opportunity to again be intimately related and have an intimate contact with Radha and Krishna. And that's how we should chant the holy name, crying out like a Chakravaki separated from her Chakravaka husband. This is a very nice idea, Sneha Nam, that one can try to imagine how that would feel if you're married people and you're intensely attached and in love with your husbands and wives. This is a natural feeling. And now somehow you get cursed. Can you imagine? You've been married for 35 years. All of a sudden, hey, okay, be separated. And for the next 20 years, you can never be with your wife. You just work all day, and at night you sleep in some apartment. And she's, oh, my husband. It's pain. If you meditate on this phenomenon, it creates some pain in the heart. So then take that to the holy name. Oh, Krishna, you're there. You're my beloved. I have a relationship with you. I'm eternally united with you as your friend or your Sakhi maidservant, your mother, father, something. But now I'm cursed by my forgetfulness, my stupidity, my wrong choices. Now I'm separated. Please accept me again. Please come to me. Please come back to me. Please come back to me. Let me be united with you again.